Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Boreal Wolf's Broken Fang in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a crafting table, like this one right here in Mondstadt. Just go near it first and then press F to interact. So here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Scroll down until you find Boreal Wolf's Broken Fang. Here it is, click on it. So the crafting materials required are 3 Boreal Wolves cracked tooth. If you have these in your inventory, just click on this craft button on the bottom right side of your screen like so. As you can see, to craft this, it's going to consume 350 mora. To confirm it, just click on this confirm button right here and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This is your host Ace. Happy gaming!